Okay, here we are. So we are with Guillaume. Thank you. We are in a fantastic house. Really, we can say aristocratic, noble. I don't know how can I say.
Look at the ceiling.
Yeah, look at the ceiling. But not only the ceiling. I mean, we are in each room. There is the fireplace in each single room. And very, I do say, really, it's from 1920, more or less.
Yes.
Okay. And Guillaume, okay, has done a fantastic dinner. We are just at the entry. We are at the beginning, sorry. We have just an aperitivo with olives and a fantastic extra dry martini, rosé. And we are waiting for the exactly your specialty.
Yes,
we can say.
Yes.
And so very happy to be in France, in Verdun. Verdun, right?
Verdun.
Verdun. Okay, Verdun. Okay, my pronunciation is terrible, but I'm still happy. And today is June 30th, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I see you later. Ciao.